Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to add screen record or screenshot to control center on Samsung A14, A16, all A series. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Literally, when you scroll down the control center or quick panel, on the quick panel you should have the screenshot or screen record button. So if both are missing and you couldn't add them, the first one to do is click on the edit pencil to edit the panel. Click on edit. If you're using One UI 6 or One UI 7, just edit and then come here and add screen recorder. However, if screen recorder or screenshot are both missing, just go ahead and open the settings app of your Samsung. Scroll down, locate and click on display. Scroll down display and click on edge panel. Now, if edge panel is disabled, go ahead and turn on edge panels. Click on panels, then scroll through the panels. Make sure you select people. Click on gallery store. Now, under Gallery Store, locate Control Center and then make sure you download and install it. Once you download Control Center free, then go back to your app menu. On the app menu, locate Control Center free, click on it. Now, to add the screenshot or screen record to the Control Center, all you simply need to do is scroll through the Control Center free and then locate screenshot, click on it to add it. And locate screen record, click on it to add it. Now, if you come down to where you say include, then it should say screen recorder and screenshot. Now, if you go to the control center, then the screen recorder and the screenshot will be added. If it is missing, again, come back and repeat the same thing to edit the control panel. Then come here, you should say screen recorder and then screenshot. And then click on done. Now, once added, scroll down the control center. Click on screen recorder, click on allow from the pop, then allow while using the app. Start now. Then you should see the countdown and you will be able to use the screen recorder on your Samsung. And once you're done, repeat the same thing, scroll at control center, locate screen record, click on it, and then to save it. If you want to use screenshot, repeat the same thing on the screenshot. Once you click on screenshot, this spot that says, please allow accessibility service permission to use screenshot. Click on OK. Now, here, you need to allow the accessibility permission to use screenshot by clicking on installed app. Click on center free, turn on center free, click on allow. And then, go back again and open your screenshots. And you'll be able to take the screenshot like that. You see that? So that's exactly how to add screenshot or screen record missing on Samsung phone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.